3 whole years. I cannot believe it's even possible for Scarlett Stuber to be 3 years old. Time truly flies. I'm so happy for her, but I'm a little sad inside. Now you guys know my tribe of 5, we like to celebrate, so we did just that. We had a wands and wizards party. What, you guys have never heard about that? Well, let me show you how it all went down. We've got bubbles, we've got wands, we've got wizards, we've got princess, we've got a mermaid, we've got someone who does magic tricks. You guys want to come in? You guys want to follow me? All right, come on in, follow me. You know, we only celebrate these moments once, and she's only 3 once, so we really, I don't know, we all kind of got into it. I think this is the first birthday where she really knew what was going on. I think the biggest surprise in having a daughter is that she brings so much fun and emotion. She's just such a little strong force of nature. She's really starting to make those little small leaps and bounds, and you know, to try to write her name, or she always wants to do everything Brooksy does, and it's really interesting to see, like, he taught her how to do the circles, and it's just really amazing to see her growth in terms of her milestones and just in terms of her writing, in terms of her verbal. She's always been very sweet, but I think probably the biggest leap is her imagination. I sometimes hear her talking to herself in her bedroom or in the back of the car, and she'll say, okay, Brooksy, Gray, Mama, Daddy, Scarlett, and she names herself, and she'll just say, okay, we're going to the park all together, and like she'll create these whole like amazing imaginative scenarios, and I really see a burst in her imagination, and it's so sweet to see it. She is a true gem to have as a little baby girl.
Wow.
So cute. And that is it for the Scarlett Stuber extravaganza of being 3. We love having her. We love having her turn 3, and we love celebrating her. Up next, in our next video next week, we went to Cabo. This Molly Sims Social team went to Cabo. We did an incredible shoot. We killed it. We did 46 looks in about 2.5 days. We did makeup trends with Nikki. We did Kiki on hair trends. We did fashion trends, and you guys have got to see it. You gotta check it out. It is so fun and so cool. You guys love doing these videos. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what we should be doing for number 4, because 4 will be just around the corner. Love you guys, bye.